Today we are going to learn about AI in coding, a threat or a tool? We will explore the capabilities of AI in coding, its impact on jobs, and the unique human skills that remain essential. You'll gain insights into how AI tools complement human developers and understand the economic and ethical implications of AI in the tech industry. Welcome to our discussion on AI in coding, a threat or a tool? In this video, we'll dive deep into the evolving landscape of AI-powered coding assistants. We'll analyze whether these tools pose a threat to developer jobs or if they enhance the capabilities of human coders. As AI continues to evolve and integrate into the tech industry, understanding its dynamics becomes crucial. Our goal is to provide you with insights into how AI tools can complement rather than replace human developers, and discuss the economic, ethical, and practical implications of AI in coding. Let's get started. AI coding assistants have revolutionized the way software development is approached. These tools are capable of writing, reviewing, and even debugging code with remarkable speed and accuracy. By automating repetitive tasks, AI allows developers to focus on more complex problem-solving aspects of coding. AI's learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data to improve code efficiency and suggest optimizations. However, despite their advanced capabilities, current AI systems lack the creativity and nuanced understanding that human developers possess. They excel at processing data and following patterns but struggle with tasks that require innovative thinking or understanding context beyond the code. As AI technology continues to advance, these limitations may diminish, but the inherent human qualities and creativity and critical thinking remain irreplaceable. The integration of AI in coding is reshaping the job landscape within the tech industry. Roles traditionally focused on quality assurance and testing are among the most affected, as AI tools can automate these processes with greater efficiency. Junior developer positions, which often involve repetitive coding tasks, are also seeing shifts as AI tools take over these responsibilities. However, this does not mean a reduction in overall job opportunities. Instead, the demand is shifting towards roles that require deeper understanding of AI and data science, as well as project management skills that involve coordinating AI-human collaboration. To thrive in this new environment, developers need to enhance their AI literacy and adapt to the evolving nature of tech jobs. While AI coding assistants are transforming the tech industry, there are skills that remain uniquely human and indispensable. Creative problem-solving is a quintessential human trait that AI cannot replicate. Developers use their creativity to design innovative solutions and tackle unprecedented challenges. Emotional intelligence and understanding user needs are critical in creating user-centric applications that resonate with real-world users. Adaptability and the ability to innovate are human strengths that drive technological advancement. Finally, interpersonal communication skills are crucial for collaboration within teams and with stakeholders. These uniquely human skills ensure that developers remain an integral part of the tech industry, even as AI continues to evolve. Real-world examples of AI and human collaboration highlight the potential for improved project outcomes and innovation. For instance, AI tools are now commonly used in code review processes, where they can quickly identify bugs and suggest improvements. This collaboration allows human developers to focus on creative problem-solving and strategic planning. Tech companies like Microsoft and Google have integrated AI into their development processes, resulting in more efficient and reliable software solutions. Case studies from these companies illustrate how AI and human developers work together to achieve innovation that neither could accomplish alone. This symbiotic relationship underscores the value of AI as a tool that enhances human capabilities rather than replaces them. The integration of AI into coding has significant economic implications for the tech industry. One of the most immediate benefits is increased productivity, as AI tools can handle routine tasks, allowing developers to focus on more complex and strategic work. This leads to cost savings in development and maintenance, as projects can be completed more efficiently. As AI reshapes job roles, there is a shift in job demand towards positions that require AI expertise and data analysis skills. Companies are investing heavily in AI technologies, driving innovation and long-term economic growth. These economic shifts necessitate a rethinking of workforce training and education to prepare for the future job market. As AI becomes more integrated into the tech industry, ethical considerations become increasingly important. One major concern is data privacy, as AI systems often rely on large datasets to function effectively. Ensuring that these datasets are used responsibly and ethically is crucial. Additionally, bias in AI algorithms can lead to unfair outcomes, necessitating transparency and accountability in AI development. The impact of AI on employment raises questions about the responsibility of companies in managing workforce transitions. Responsible AI development involves creating systems that are fair, transparent, and aligned with societal values. As developers and industry leaders, it is imperative to address these ethical considerations to ensure AI benefits all stakeholders. To thrive in an AI-enhanced tech industry, developers must prioritize AI literacy and continuous learning. Understanding AI tools and how to integrate them into existing workflows is essential for maximizing their potential benefits. Developers should seek out resources for AI education, such as online courses, workshops, and industry certifications. By upskilling and staying informed about the latest AI advancements, developers can future-proof their career paths and remain competitive in the job market. Companies also have a role to play in providing training opportunities and fostering an environment that encourages learning and innovation. Embracing AI as a tool for growth rather than a threat ensures a sustainable and successful career in tech. The long-term implications of AI integration in coding are profound, reshaping the roles and responsibilities of developers. As AI becomes a collaborator rather than a competitor, developers will focus more on tasks that require human-centric skills such as creativity, empathy, and strategic thinking. This shift emphasizes the importance of developing soft skills alongside technical expertise. AI tools will enable more innovative project development, allowing developers to push the boundaries of what's possible. By embracing AI as a partner in coding, developers can ensure sustainable and fulfilling careers in tech. This future-oriented approach highlights the potential for AI to enhance, rather than replace, the essential human elements of software development. In conclusion, AI in coding is not a threat to developer jobs but a powerful tool that enhances efficiency and innovation. While AI can automate routine tasks, human skills such as creativity, empathy, and strategic thinking remain essential. By embracing AI-human collaboration, developers can achieve greater project outcomes and prepare for the evolving tech landscape. The integration of AI presents opportunities for growth and innovation, allowing developers to focus on tasks that require uniquely human abilities. As we move forward, it is crucial to view AI as an opportunity rather than a threat, and to equip ourselves with the skills needed to thrive in a tech-driven future.